As a young student starting off your professional career, here are mistakes that you should absolutely avoid. Number 1. Reject the first job because the package was low. Well, what's your first package? Is it the money? No. Is it the experience? Yes. Number 2. Rush through a course or rush through a qualification because faster the better. Well, this is a trap that you should not fall for. Right? Start early, but take your time because ultimately you've got to enjoy the entire journey and not just the destination. Number 3. Expect that the course that you're pursuing is going to be enjoyable all the time. Well, that's not possible. There are parts that you're going to love and there are parts you will not like, and that's absolutely normal. Number 4. Become a social media influencer because it's a norm. Well, honestly, don't get there till you've not become an authority in a subject. So become a thought leader and not just any social media influencer. Number 5. Think that your first degree is your last degree. Well, welcome to World 2.0. Unlearning and relearning is going to be a constant process. So your first degree is just a start, but you need to keep learning on the go all the time. Number 6. Start working 72 hours a week because somebody said it. Work passionately, but have your own work life set up. Don't sacrifice your gym time. Pursue your passion. Travel the globe. Invest in relationships. It's your life after all. You don't have to buy the life the world sells to you.